Welcome Forex traders. I go by the name of RP Forex and I'll be your live sessions trader and technical analysis in the Forex Trading Room. And in this video, I'll talk a little bit about myself and my background, how I got into trading Forex, the challenges I had to go through to become a profitable trader, and how I can help you do the same, should you choose to join our community. At Forex Lens, we offer daily technical analysis, Forex signals, and live trading sessions every day, Monday to Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern. These sessions are hosted by yours truly. These sessions are recorded and they're available for traders to re-watch at their own convenience. I provide market analysis each morning with our members, breaking down the technical and fundamentals, and provide high probability trade ideas for you to follow. A little bit about myself. I started trading Forex 6 years ago under the guidance of my university professor during my major in quantitative finance. He's the one who introduced me to currency trading, and that's where my FX journey began. In my first year, I blew 3 trading accounts. I blew a $500 account, then a $2,000 account, and then a $3,000 account. And that's when I took a step back from live trading. I spent the next 15 or so months making use of resources online, reading books, devising a trading strategy that made sense to me, and eventually things started to click. In the last 4 to 5 years, things have been great, and I was able to grow my account, and I was able to withdraw more and more often. I was able to make enough to pay for my school tuition, my leisure activities, and my house bills. I was able to teach this form of trading to many friends and family, and it made so much sense to them because it was so simple yet effective. I'll classify my trading strategy as a variation of naked price action trading. I use support and resistance zones, trend lines, channels, and simple Japanese candlestick patterns. This type of price action trading I use can help a beginner trader become more consistent and more profitable trader in the Forex market. But a profitable trading strategy just isn't enough. In the daily live sessions, I will instill you my risk management practices, good trading psychology, and some tips and tricks I've learned and pitfalls to avoid as a trader. This is what you can expect if you join our community in the Forex Trading Room. And to be honest, I wish I had a service like this when I first started trading Forex. So just to give you a quick tour of our beautiful trading room portal that we have built, here you can see that portal, and we are having a 2.0 of this portal being released in 2020, which will be a major upgrade from this. Our live sessions are hosted here. All you have to do is log in and click NYC live session at 11 a.m. Eastern every day, Monday through Friday. I'll be streaming live with my trading view charts, and you also have 4 trading view charts they can use here as they pop out. If you go to forexlens.com/forex-trading-room, you can see here, think of the setup that a professional trader would have. Multiple screens and monitors open, price charts, fundamental news calendar, Bloomberg Live, and other trading tools. That's what the team at Forex Lens has built for retail traders, and it's pretty incredible. This was actually sent by one of our members, although we made some edits to make it look better. You can also see you can sign up for a free membership. Free members only get access to our Monday and Friday sessions. On Monday, I usually do a market outlook for the trading week, and on Fridays, I do a recap of the trades we took throughout the trading week. Back to our portal. So here, I do the live technical analysis with our members every morning. There's a nice chat box here where you can ask questions or request for analysis during the live session. After the live session, the sessions are hosted here in our archives. In the library archives, you also find some educational content that we are always curating and uploading to our community. You get access to Bloomberg Live TV, so you can get market news, data, and market analysis around the world. You can also see our 5 signal providers you can choose from, and all these trading strategies are back-tested in-house. Forex signals are sent via Telegram channels. You can also choose to only get access to these signals for $75 per month with no access to my live sessions. But in my opinion, for only $22 more per month, it's totally worth it. So there you have it, an introduction to our Forex Trading Room. I'm RP Forex, the live sessions trader and technical analysis, and the trading room, and I hope to see you all inside the portal very soon.